It looks like you lost a fight, is what it looks like to me.
Well, it looks like
it looks like you also were in the hallway with a machete, not defending yourself necessarily.
Defending myself before you guys showed up.
Trying to start a fight.
No, it wasn't to start a fight.
On January the 21st, 2023, at approximately 10:44 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to an apartment building on a call about a man standing in the hallway yelling racial slurs and threatening to kill people.
All right.
When did it start?
All right. When my roommate, Mr. Troy Johnson, who is now in apartment 22, did not like my use of the N-word.
Okay.
And I said, dude, I've earned every right in the world.
Just don't consider.
I'm trying not to. But I've earned every right in the world to use that word when I was 7 years old and I was raped by 6 black men.
Okay.
That kind of gives me the right to use the word, in my opinion.
Okay.
No, it doesn't. That's ignorant. It's ignorant. What was ignorant is the fact that you still call me cracker.
Okay.
You know? So it's been kind of like a racially 22. But what's been ignorant is the fact that you guys still think it's okay to, call me, racially derogatory terms. But if I drop the N-word one time, then suddenly it's racist. Okay. I just got the fuck beat out of me.
Because of that?
Yeah.
Okay. How many people?
5, all in 22. And all fucking trying to climb her up and say they didn't do it. Alright? I'm just in my, I step out in my hallway.
Do you know specifically who they were?
The Trayvon, Kyra, Troy, and whomever else was in the apartment.
What's with the machete? What's that?
That's for me to protect myself.
Okay. What were you doing upstairs with the machete? Where's your apartment at, first off?
18.
18, which is just over on the other side, right?
Right there. This is me protecting myself. And they
So
say they're going to kill me.
Did my partner upstairs see you in the hallway, or did he see you in your room? Did he come to your door?
You talking about the guy in the white shirt?
Yeah.
He saw me in the hallway.
Saw you in the hallway.
Yeah, because I was coming around my apartment.
Okay. Because you knew we were here, or what?
Well, I knew that if you guys weren't here, I started to protect myself.
So you were going to them to protect yourself?
No, I was not going to them. Okay. I was standing my ground.
In the hallway?
Yes. Does it make sense?
Not standing your ground in the hallway. Standing your ground would be in your own apartment. Do you know that,
I
right?
did that.
Because that sounds like you were coming in the hallway because you want to retaliate because you got your butt kicked.
No, it was not retaliation. It was protection.
Okay.
All right. But I have 5 of them.
I'm not calling you a liar. I'm just trying to
saying,
still.
I have 5 of them coming against one of me.
Okay. So that would make me think that you should have probably been in your apartment protecting
I had to break myself into my own apartment.
Why is that?
Because I couldn't get in because my keys were in my apartment. All I had was a card to get into my apartment, and I had to hurry up and break into my apartment to get to my machete to protect myself.
Okay. So this all started in the hallway, right? You were talking to your roommate?
No.
Where did this start?
It started in my apartment with Mr. Troy Johnson, who has warrants in Fairfield County.
Okay. Well, I don't care about that right now. I'm here for this, okay? I don't give a crap about their warrants right now. I care about this.
I understand.
Okay? So let's not get on a sidetrack on this.
I'm not trying to. I'm just,
so it started in there.
Right.
You use the N-word.
Can I get
I don't have any
an ice pack?
I don't have any ice pack right now, but I'll get a medic out there for you. Okay.
Yeah, if you can do that, like push that.
Yeah. But so you were in your apartment with your roommate.
Yeah.
You used the N-word. He said you can't use that. You said you were in a right to use that, right?
Because of the abuse that I suffered as a child.
And so an argument ensued. All right.
Right.
What point were you attacked, though? Was it in your apartment, or
I
was
was
it in
by
the hallway?
Ronald Ostrowski in apartment 19, who came down the hallway. And first, I defended myself, and I did fairly well. And then I had 5 of them that came up and defended him and helped him, and the 5 of them helped abuse me.
Okay, so this was in the hallway.
22, yes.
So you stepped out in the hallway, and that's when you were attacked by who?
5 people and 22.
Okay. 5 people and 22.
Yeah, so you can see it on the security camera footage.
Said you wanted an ambulance. What?
Just to get a compress, a cold compress.
Isn't it just your face hurt?
Yeah, just proboscideal hemorrhage.
I thought it'd be safe.
No, she can't come down.
Step
I
over here.
was just trying to
Step over
get
here. Don't talk to her.
Step over here.
She's one of these stuff. And she gets to go free.
We're not done yet.
It's a
Don't start.
And just,
What's your phone number?
614 815 And they're trying to turn this all like it's something racist in that. It's like, what the fuck you mean racist? Oh, he got a noose. He goddamn Skippy, I got a noose. You know, I have a right, you know, to freedom, religion, speech.
But you understand, like, using
Yeah,
racial slurs can incite
but I
people to
didn't
violence.
do that. But you also understand that if they use racial slur against me, that also incites violence.
Yes, but that doesn't give either one of you the right to put your hands on each other.
They put their hands on me. I did not put my hands on them.
It looks like you lost a fight, is what it looks like to me.
Well, it looks like
It looks like you also were in the hallway with a machete, not defending
That
yourself
was
necessarily,
defending myself before you
but
guys showed
trying
up.
to start a fight.
To make no, that wasn't to start a fight.
Okay.
That was not to start a fight.
Okay.
That was to defend myself before you guys got here because I had already called you.
Why didn't you defend yourself
Yeah.
in your apartment?
They weren't in my apartment.
Who's in your apartment now?
Should be nobody but my cat not.
Okay.
That's it.
And
Me
you
my
went
cat.
and you retrieved your machete from where?
My apartment.
Was anybody in your apartment when you grabbed your machete?
Troy was. And then he fled.
Okay. So at that point, you could have locked your door and stayed in your apartment, correct?
Once he fled.
Okay. So then why did you go back out into the hallway?
To wait for you guys. Because you were my next best protection. That's it.
Okay. Why couldn't you barricade yourself or put yourself in the apartment?
Come on, man. Please.
I wondered if y'all was concerned about my welfare.
I was.
Hell, what's happening, Captain?
Not much, how are you?
Wasn't me this time.
What, did you see what happened?
White neighbor?
Yeah, we forgot.
Couldn't take another nigga.
They got no
Nigga,
fight.
nigga, he was like, dude, just shut the fuck up. Okay, his neighbor. Don't you say it no goddamn more.
Yeah.
You know? So he jumps out of his apartment and put him up. And the white neighbor's like, cause you just starting shit.
Yeah.
Got to fighting. He busted his ass up. Then he goes, and that was the machete. Bang. I don't know if y'all remember a couple months ago. Do you remember?
I don't know. I think I haven't been up here in a
I
while.
thought somebody was, I talked to my hand. I thought somebody was shooting the gun, right? He hit me with the bus.
Stay with him.
Say, nigga. I got a dog.
Yeah.
Months ago, listen, I got a dog, so I gotta take him out 4 in the morning. He jumps out of his apartment, hits me upside his head, and I had to hit him back upside his damn head.
So
Too many niggas.
which neighbor was he fighting with? He's not going to be in trouble.
He shouldn't be.
No, he's not. But I want to get his side of it so we can say,
Right.
all right, thank you.
It's a drinking apartment, y'all know.
Yeah. Hey, Ron, it's the police. You're not in trouble. I just need to talk to you, figure out what your side of this is.
Make sure you're all right.
Yeah. Hey, are you all right?
Yeah, come on. You guys are right.
What happened with Jim?
Jim wanted to beat my ass, and then I had to fight him.
Okay, are you hurt at all?
Yeah, I was. I mean, I got my ass kicked.
Okay, but he didn't.
He had fucking all his friends over there.
Okay.
I had no friends. I have no friends over here.
Hey, Ron, real
so
quick,
I didn't
are you
do
stabbed or anything?
Huh?
Are you stabbed or anything? He had a big ass knife, machete. I want to make.
He has a.
I know, we've already got him.
No,
We got
he told me he was going to cut me up.
Okay, but you didn't get stabbed.
No, he did not stab me because
you need-
I moved. I moved as
Yeah.
fast as, if
Do you
somebody's
need a medic or anything?
No, I don't think so.
Just check yourself real quick or pull up
No,
your shoulder and make sure you're not.
I don't think so.
Okay.
No, I'm pretty good with just knowing that. I mean, no. Why did he want to do that to me? I don't know. he was supposed to be my friend.
Yeah.
You know, when you're supposed to have a friend, they're not supposed to do that to you, right? No, friends aren't supposed to do that to each other, right?
Right.
Is that correct?
Absolutely.
No, and I'm okay. I'm having a great day, and I'm drinking some beer and just having some good time with what I think is everybody that's supposed to have a good time with me. But what did it come to? It comes to him wanting to come after me and stuff like that, and then I had to fight myself. You can see I have my blood on my hands.
It seems like you handled yourself well.
No, I took them out. I took them out quickly.
So this was, so just to be clear, this was mutual combat.
No, and I'm not
mutual
a
fight.
bad dude.
No,
I'm
I know.
not
That's
no,
why.
I'm not telling you I'm tougher than anybody else.
I
I'm not tougher than him. I'm not tougher than you. I'm not tougher than anybody.
But this was mutual combat. You two were fighting each other.
Yeah, no, he was coming after me,
Right, and you
I
defended
just,
yourself?
Yeah, and I
Okay.
just took him out. And I had him on the ground, and I just pounded him out. You know, and I was done. I was done with it. And then all his friends were coming in, and all the people that he knows. See, because I'm from Cleveland. I'm not from Columbus. Okay? I'm from Cleveland. Okay? So even though I'm living here, I'm not from Columbus. So, if these guys want to sit there and come after me, what am I going to do?
So-
do I have to defend myself?
Yeah.
Of course I do.
Yeah.
Of course I do. You're not going to sit there and take me down because you just
Absolutely.
feel like you're going to do it.
Hey, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to take a report just so that he can't come back later, because there's witnesses out there that saw who came after you and stuff. So I'm going to take a
I
report.
beat his ass right in the hallway.
I know.
I beat him.
Yeah.
He came after
So
me, and
that's okay.
I took him down.
So I'm going to take a report so he can't later claim
There's
that
my
you tried
blood
to-
on my hand. I was smacking him right in the head.
Ron, what's your last name?
It's very fucking. Here comes another one. You gonna let him go too?
All right, Jim. Did you want an ambulance?
I
he's got
just need a
24
cold
coming
compress.
Give him a cold compress.
You got his info.
Yeah.
What else is going on in that?
Right, I've asked a bunch of the questions, but they keep, fucking blaming me. But the thing is, look,
Ron doesn't let him
Like, bro, he was saying, like, killing black people, bro. So it wasn't like he was white, he was saying, like, no, bro. He's saying nigger boy, nigger bitch, like, calling us a nigga, bro, calling my TT a nigga, like, you feel me? Like, yes, what do you mean, sir? Yeah, but it happened again. It happened again.
Nothing to do with another. Y'all leave me the hell alone.
Who's that?
You,
Who's
him.
Jimmy? Oh,
Him.
Jimmy, that's
Y'all and him. Leave me the hell alone.
So we have a question. Did he point the knife at you?
Yeah.
To make a statement towards you? I'm asking.
Yes. In the hall.
What did he say to you specifically?
Nigga. He was gonna chop my head off. Oh yeah, he was gonna
Do you
chop my
believe
head
he
off.
would?
I think he needs to be took to the hospital.
Do you believe he would?
But we done physically fought before, so.
It's a yes or no. Because depending on your answers, how we can go from there.
Where you gonna take him? Hospital or jail? That's the difference. No, go ahead then. No, get in there.
I'm not.
No, come on. We off of it. We off. Now. No. I can check this goddamn head off. But where would you take
So
him?
you don't believe?
Answer me.
You don't believe it's
Listen, there's a crime.
Yes,
there's a
but
crime
not to
called
me.
aggravated menacing. Okay.
And Brian, something to riot. Because after if all the niggas would have came out, that's what something like a riot.
Inciting a riot.
I'm an intelligent one. Bingo. And I'm close, ain't I?
close, but
Okay.
We're not quite there.
Dangerous. Wait, listen now, because I fucks with him. Fucks with him. Is he dangerous? Do I feel a threat? No. But he's, yes. Okay. But, okay, because we already, so I'm not scared. I'm already with chopping next to him. Do you understand? But he is dangerous
Do you
to other
understand?
people.
Do you understand where we're coming from?
Yes, because next
By
time
the
it
law-
could be
by
some
the-
bullshit.
By law and theory.
It could be some bullshit next
We
time.
have to have a victim, right? And if you don't believe that
Can you
you're
just take
afraid
him to
of
the
that,
hospital?
I can't just. That'd be violating his rights by taking him out because I'm taking custody. You know what I mean? The courts don't like that.
Okay, see, there you go. Ask another one who was going to get their head cut off.
I tried.
He was going to cut your
No,
head
you don't
off.
want to discuss
Yeah,
that.
he did. He
We don't. You asking us? Are we?
This guy,
Okay, you too tired.
he's a piece of shit.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And he's threatening people here. He's a criminal.
Yes.
I need your name. I need your information.
We got it. We got it.
All right.
So we're being arrested
You got it.
because he acted menacing to her.
All right. Listen,
I'm with you.
I know you're a tough lady. You
I got you. I'm
You
with
win
you.
every
We
fight
with-
against that dumbass. Fuck him.
I'm
All right?
with you. I'm with
All right. Take care.
No, just real quick, stay with them because they're in charge right now.
I know they're in charge, but I want.
What's going on here?
You got no fucking idea.
Okay, here's what I'll tell you. Because I'm getting a bunch of different stories, but I have a lot of people saying that you're making racial slurs and threats. They're getting people in here upset.
You don't understand. He's one of them that was one of them attacking me.
Okay, well, what I'm hearing from other people is that you attacked Ron when he defended himself. Other people pulled him off.
Why would I?
I have no idea.
Why would I attack a white guy with racial slurs?
I'm not saying you attacked him
Why
with
would I
racial
do
slurs. I'm saying you attacked him with your fist. But other people in this building of different races are claiming that you're making terrible statements that could lead to you getting your ass beat. And you know what? Making provocations and fighting words. Oh, were you not making racial slurs?
I did to my roommate, not directly to him or about him.
You understand
But
that
because
saying
of
stuff like that can
circumstances-
provoke people to fight
No,
and beat
and
your
I
ass.
put him out of my apartment because he couldn't accept the fact that I said what I had to say. I said, get the fuck out of my apartment.
Okay, so it sounds like you're pissing people off to the place where they're causing this
It's
damage.
my apartment!
Then stay in your apartment and
That's
don't
what
talk
I
to other
did.
people. How did you get your ass beat in the hallway if you stayed in your apartment?
Because they came down knocking on my door.
Don't
Check
open
the
the door.
fucking security cameras.
I'm getting 3 different stories, but a lot
Yeah,
of them more
but
people than you.
that fucking listen to them motherfuckers.
Okay,
Listen
go down
to
here and
them.
talk to them, and I'm going to see if we
Can't
can...
I?
No, you cannot! Go down there and listen to them. I'm getting real fucking tired of this. Go down there, act like an adult, and listen to what the minutes have to say.
Fuck them niggers.
Hey, you want to say it loud enough to have somebody else come down here and beat your ass?
Hey, get a witness statement.
You good?
You're going to jail. For ag medicine. You're on your back. I've had enough.
Yep.
Tell people you're going to chop their head. If you don't loosen up, I'm going to throw you on the ground.
I'm loose.
Loosen up.
I'm loose. Yeah, look, people abuse me.
Nobody's abusing you. You're acting like a dumbass when we come here to help you.
I'm here to be helped.
Clearly.
Hey, you got her info?
Get my glasses off the floor, please.
You're not in charge right now. We'll do what we need to as we need to do
Get my
it.
glasses off the floor.
Yeah, why not?
I admit it. Put your mind in charge.
Yeah,
I'm
well,
sorry.
I'm done with you tonight, that's for sure. You got anything in your pockets?
No, sir.
Look to your left. You spit on him or you spit on me, I'm punching you in the face. You understand me?
I understand.
Switch me. Look to your right. Yeah, it's mine.
You didn't have a right to hit me in the next
I gotta make sure you don't have any drugs inside you.
Careful.
Watch your head. Get your feet in there.
I'm trying to.
Get your feet in there.
I'm trying to.
Get your feet in
Let me
there.
get my ass in here first.
I have African American family and friends.
So do
I
I.
personally
I have
find it
two.
offensive. Your language and your attitude.
I
So
have
you need to
two
do me a
half
favor
daughters.
and shut the fuck up.
I have 2 half daughters.